What if I told you there's a planet where it doesn't rain water, but molten iron falls from the sky? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But it's not. This planet is real, it's been discovered by scientists, and it's one of the strangest places in the known universe. Get ready to explore a world where it literally rains iron. WASP 76b is the name of a giant planet located far beyond our solar system. Planets like this are called exoplanets. They orbit stars outside our own sun. It was discovered in 2013 by a group of scientists and is located more than 600 light-years away in the Pisces constellation. WASP 76b is much bigger than Earth and similar in size to Jupiter. But there's one big difference: this planet is so hot that iron turns into vapor, just like water turns into steam on Earth. This planet is incredibly hot because it's extremely close to the star it orbits. It's so close that it completes a full orbit in less than 2 Earth days. To compare, Earth takes a full year. Also, WASP 76b is tidally locked, which means one side always faces the star and gets constant heat and light, while the other side is stuck in eternal darkness. So one side is always daytime and the other side is always night. And this extreme setup causes some pretty wild effects. On the hot side, temperatures reach up to 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 2,400 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to vaporize metals like iron. So on this side of the planet, iron doesn't stay solid, it becomes a gas and mixes with the atmosphere. Then, extremely strong winds blow this vapor across to the cooler, dark side of the planet. And that's where the real magic, or rather, the science, happens. Once the vaporized iron reaches the cooler side, where temperatures are lower, it starts to cool down and condense, just like steam turns back into water. But here, instead of water, it's molten iron falling from the sky. Scientists believe that on the dark side of WASP 76b, it literally rains liquid metal. Just imagine blazing hot iron droplets pouring down like a thunderstorm made of lava. It's a terrifying and fascinating weather system, one that's completely real. This discovery wasn't just guessed, it was measured. In 2020, a team led by researcher David Ehrenreich from the University of Geneva used an advanced tool called ESPRESSO, attached to the Very Large Telescope in Chile. They used a method called high-resolution spectroscopy to analyze the light passing through the planet's atmosphere. What they found was stunning: iron gas was only present on the hot, daylight side. On the dark side, it was gone because it had condensed and rained down. This gave scientists clear evidence: this planet really does rain iron. WASP 76b is so extreme that scientists often call it the planet that shouldn't exist. The idea of clouds made of metal and rain made of molten iron was once just science fiction, but not anymore. And here's the crazy part: this planet may not be alone. Other ultra-hot exoplanets could have similar environments. Right now, scientists are studying dozens of them, and who knows what other bizarre discoveries are just waiting to be revealed. The universe is full of surprises, and WASP 76b is one of its wildest. It proves that reality can be even stranger than fiction. A planet with eternal daylight on one side, darkness on the other, and showers of liquid metal in between. It's not a fantasy. It's science. And if we've already discovered something this extreme, just imagine what else is out there, hidden in the stars. If this blew your mind like it did mine, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell. Because the next space mystery might be even more unbelievable, and you won't want to miss it.